What did you just purchase?
So I just bought my very first surfboard.
It's soft.
A foamy, yeah. I just bought a foamy.
A foamy.
So we're gonna go out today and try it out, see what happens. I have no idea what to expect, but it'll be fun. Is that it?
We came in to buy necklaces.
Then the wax.
Wait, what do I have to
That wax on right hand.
That's where they started off, is here's like the line going one way. Don't even know if it's gonna fit in my car, but
It'll fit. It can like lay on their laps.
I'm literally like so excited. Like
This is
we
insane.
literally walk in, we were like, oh, let's just go inside. And now I have a surfboard. Yeah. I don't want to leave face on because I don't want to get waxed.
That's fine.
Let's go! Okay, so we just made it out here to the Fort Lauderdale beach, and it's super wavy.
Oh!
We're spraying up, and then we're gonna go try it out. We also brought the skimboard, so we're gonna be doing that as well, but there's like no one in the water. Everyone's gonna be staring at us, but you know what? They're just gonna be jealous.
Hi friends, we're about to go surf for the first time ever. So currently, the wind is 20 miles per hour, and that's why we got a single wave.
Okay, so this will be my first time using my brand new surfboard. I'm actually terrified.
Alright, we're all
How do I even get out there?
Carry it. Carry it for a while.
Going to say bye, I'm going to the Bahamas.
We got a couple tips from a couple people around here and the guy that we bought it from. So Maddie's gonna go right now.
Let's go. How do you feel? I feel great. I feel like I'm gonna stand up first try.
Let's do it. Good luck.
So, I've been surfing for about like 5 years. I'm from Hawaii, so I know what I'm doing. I surf big swells all the time. So you're gonna see me catch some big waves out here.
Big waves like
I forgot I came with professionals.
If I see the shark, I'm gonna punch him in the nose. All right, ladies and gentlemen, wish me good luck. Bye. This is hard. Yeah. Y'all see me catch this?
Let's go, baby.
Y'all need lessons. You know where to come. Right here.
We got a professional out here. Oh God, I've never had so much fun in my life. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you next time.